Good afternoon. Welcome back to News Desk. Thank you so much for staying with us. My name is Kelly Boss. I'm here for Matters Business, and this is Business at One. Now we start with Kenya's capital markets, which has delivered a huge vote of confidence for the country's housing finance sector, pulling an investment under a new economic environment. Today, the Kenya Mortgage Refinance Company, KMRC, officially listed 3 billion sustainability bond on the fixed income securities market of the Nairobi Securities Exchange. The listing, which represents tranche 2 of the KMRC's 10.5 billion medium-term note program, attracted 9.38 billion in investor application to record a 312.8% oversubscription rate.
This bond has been 3 times oversubscribed, and had we extended time, would have been many times oversubscribed. As per my earlier remarks, I mean, it all depends on the strength of the issue, that they're well liked by this market. Of course, the structure, the tax-exempt nature of it was very attractive. In terms of who the investors were, we've seen a wide range. I mean, this market is typically driven by institutional investors.
This is a sustainability bond, and that cuts into green as well as the social. Now, at least 30% of what we are raising goes into green, and the difference, of course, is part of the social that we are covering. And the social we are talking about here is actually supporting people at the lower end who are disproportionately affected. They never necessarily get mortgages when they need, because of course they are considered higher risk by financial institutions. But the blending nature of this transaction helps to push financing down to make it a lot more affordable.
This is not merely a corporate milestone, it is a national milestone. The successful issuance and listing of the 3 billion shilling sustainability note, which is the first sustainability bond in Kenya's domestic capital market, actually signals a decisive shift in how we mobilize capital to finance our development priorities. It affirms that Kenya's capital markets are deepening, diversifying, and maturing in line with our long-term economic aspirations.
That 3 billion bond will, of course, go to